Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Matesub's timeline feature, highlighting how it auto-detects scene changes and allows precise subtitle positioning at the frame level. Let's get started. First, let's look at setting timecodes. When you select a subtitle, you can set the in and out points. This lets you determine when the subtitle appears and disappears in your video. You can do this by dragging the edges of the subtitle block on the timeline to adjust its start and end times with frame-level accuracy. Matesub makes it easy to position your subtitles using the drag-and-drop feature. Simply click and hold the subtitle block on the timeline. Then drag it to the desired position. To split a subtitle, place the cursor at the desired split point and click the Split button. To merge, select the subtitles you want to combine, then select if you want to merge the subtitle with the next one, or if you want to merge it with the previous subtitle, all by clicking the Merge button. One of Matesub's standout features is its ability to auto-detect shot changes. When a shot change is detected, Matesub marks it on the timeline, helping you place subtitles at optimal points.
Begins to break apart.
In summary, Matesub's timeline feature offers precise and easy-to-use tools for setting timecodes, positioning subtitles, and splitting and merging subtitle blocks. The shot change detection feature streamlines the process, making sure your subtitles are perfectly timed and placed. Thank you for watching, and happy subtitling with Matesub!